Have you ever wondered how short videos can help you grow your business? Well, today we're going to talk about not only how they can help, but how you can put them together simply without buying any extra tech equipment at all and still make them effective. My name is Jill Fox, and I'm the owner of both Fox Social Media and Simple Marketing Academy, along with my son Tanner. And today we're going to talk about short form video, why it's so powerful, and how you can use it to help your business grow. So short form videos are very popular. Now, 58% of viewers are more likely to watch a short video or read a short post than they are a longer one. Short videos are super easy to make and they won't take very much of your time. Also, many of the platforms have special sections or special places for you to put those short videos, and they really encourage short video posting to their platforms. Now, which are the best platforms to use for video, especially short videos? I'm going to tell you number one is YouTube. I don't even care what your business is. It doesn't make any difference. YouTube is by far the number one best platform for video. And there's several reasons for that. Number one is that it is free. You don't have to pay a dime to be on YouTube. Number two is that it is owned by Google, and Google is the number one search engine in the world. And number three is that YouTube is the most popular for viewers. So viewers looking for an answer to a question or something specific or to be entertained or lots of different things are going to go to YouTube first. When you search for something on Google, the first things that come up typically are videos, because YouTube is owned by Google and Google wants to show their own information first. So this is number one, by far the best place to put it. YouTube also acts as an amazing storage system and cataloging system for your videos. So you're not paying for extra storage on another platform. Now, it does matter what your business is as far as other platforms to put your videos on, but it will depend. If you have a super young audience, you want to look at TikTok. If your audience is kind of middle age, 40s and even 30s, that range, look at Instagram. You can put videos on other platforms like Pinterest, which is great if you have a super visual product, if your brand is super visual. If you're in the wedding industry, it's artistic, it's something to do with fashion or nails or hair, anything like that. Pinterest is a great one. So how do you compare the platforms? What are the benefits of each? Well, YouTube Shorts has the best reach, and it's good for all ages. And like we talked about, Google search traffic. Instagram Reels is really great for showing off your product features or the personality of your team, things like that, to people you're already connected to. Now, TikTok is kind of fun, trendy, very shareable, but it's not one where you're going to attract a lot of people to follow your brand. Best part of this is that you can make one short video on your phone using your earbuds, and you can share that one video if you make it in the vertical format on all those platforms. So now that I've convinced you to start making short videos for your business, you're probably wondering, well, what do I make the videos about? Well, here's several suggestions for you that work really well. Number one, keep it simple. Just make sure that you have good lighting and good sound. Those are crucial. You're not going to have to do a lot of editing. You're not going to have to make it, Hollywood quality. As a matter of fact, Hollywood quality videos don't do well on YouTube. People go to YouTube and these other platforms to see real people in their real, actual everyday lives, not, flashy Hollywood productions. So that's actually a positive. So be real, be yourself, be authentic, and just film things as they really are. You can do things like what's happening today in your shop. How-to tips do really well. Answers to quick common questions. Now, what you can do is write down a list of the 10 questions that are most often asked of you about your product, your service, or your brand in general, and make one video to answer each of those questions. Right there, you have 10 videos. You can also add these to your FAQs on your website. So it serves a lot of purposes. The other good news is that if you put them on YouTube, you can just embed them straight from YouTube. You don't have to re-upload them to your website. You're literally just adding the link in there and it will be shared on your website via YouTube on most websites. The other thing you want to do is show your face.